टैगोर साहब और आप सबको का सर warm welcome to Hyderabad, Telangana. And I've seen your press note in the first, as you told that there should be discipline, there should be unity, and there should be that misunderstanding should be taken out. This is the most important problem in Congress, sir. Everywhere, from top to bottom, this is only the problem. There are a lot of agendas, there are a lot of things. We have great leaders around you, sir. We have Hanumantanna, Uttamanna, Revantanna, Bhatti ji. They are stalwarts. They can counter anybody. KCR was a sheep. We gave Telangana and we made him panther. Now with our misunderstandings, he has become a tiger. Otherwise, KCR is nothing in front of Congress, sir. So my request to you, sir, is that organizational, we are very weak. This corporator election, you should make it mandatory. That personally, I want to tell you about me, sir. 3 times I contested Nampally election. 2 times I was denied ticket by Congress because they had alliance with MIM. But still I contested. 2009 I lost with only 5,000. Contesting with that Prajaraja. 2014 I lost with 10,000 votes. Contesting from TDP. This election, Uttamanna, Rahul Gandhi ji gave me the seat. I contested. Due to bogus votes, I lost with 7,000 votes, sir. Then Uttamanna and Rahul Gandhi ji told, I contested Hyderabad election against Asaduddin Owaisi. And I want to give my introduction. I will live my life to strengthen Congress and I will die to glorify Congress, sir. So organization, we are very weak, sir. So let us keep it mandatory, sir. Because I heard you telling that Sonia Gandhi gave Telangana, but all the leaders did not give her the gift. And she came in the history. I want you to come in history, sir. 223, we want to get back Congress in Telangana, sir. And we want Manikyam Thakur Garu to be in the history. I have a lung problem, sir. I was shot and my lung was disturbed. So, this time, this election, you keep it mandatory, sir. If I am a corporator, for example, Nampally corporator, I have 40 booths. Only eligible candidate, 40 booth president should be there. That should be the mandatory. That 40 booth should have one president with 11 members. There is an app with my friend. That app should be used. And this team should be there. So all the team, whoever is selecting the corporator, sir, the mistake what we are doing, a candidate is fighting the election. And this Greater Hyderabad, candidate will never win. Cadre will win. So where is the cadre? Show them. Mandatory. Otherwise, you should not give ticket. Whether it be senior leader, new leader, parachute leader, money leader, any leader. Most important, as my friend Usman Al-Haji told, sir, from Nampally to Chandai Gutta, there are 8 constituencies, sir. All 8 constituencies, they are bogus votes. I, Firoz Khan, Nampally, 277 booths I have, sir. 27 captains I have. 274 into 11, 3,000 team I have. You give me just 20 minutes, I will show all the 3,000 people in Gandhi Bhavan, sir. But problem, 78,000 bogus votes I have. Last time, Shashidhar Reddy Garu, he is having immense knowledge. Poll execution, mechanism, poll management, he is the boss for Congress, I am telling you, sir. He fought incessantly. 6 months we fought, sir. But unfortunately, notification came. And Chief Justice Telangana told, when notification comes, High Court Judiciary is handicapped. Now we have time, sir. Now we need to go to Election Commission, Delhi, Hyderabad, High Court, Supreme Court, sir. Unless and until you don't purify electoral rolls, we are not able to win, sir. I'm telling you my problem. Nampally, every time I got 50,000 votes. Today I'm going in Nampally constituency. They are telling, we will put for Feroz Khan, but not Congress. You contest, we will put votes. That is the problem I am having. Bogus votes and Feroz Khan. This is the problem. After getting 50,000 votes, where should I win, sir? Last time when 2016 I was not in Congress, 7 corporators in my constituency, they got only 4,200 votes. I usually get 50,000 votes. This is the problem. I will get corporators, I will see minimum 2 corporators win from Nampally. It is a request to you. Purify election votes, sir. We have lot of agenda, sir. Double bedroom Bhatti sir is doing every issue from past 1 year. Our Congress president is not sleeping. Every time we are on the road, sir. You ask anybody, you call intelligence, you call SB, you call press. Who is the man who is leading Congress? It is Uttamana who is leading the Congress. Every issue we attend, sir. Not a single issue. Every time I am challenging you here, sir. All the papers, more than Chief Minister, more than Chief Minister's son, our Congress president is there on the paper, sir. That means we are on the ground, sir. But we need to fight this election scientifically, sir. And 3 things you need, always you should keep in mind, sir, which you have. They are people with conviction, people with convenience, and people with compulsion. Conviction gets them, convenience take them out, then only discipline will be there, sir. A message will be sent, sir. Only this message is so important. All the 100 problems are just peanuts, sir. फल्ली है कांग्रेस के सामने. पूरों को मिला दो, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बना दो, खुदा की कसम हम रहो या ना रहो, कांग्रेस को सवेरा दिखा देंगे इंशाल्लाह. जय हिंद.
I just give you a little background because